Hello, beautiful people. How are you? It's your boy Kibona's Road. Today is a good day. This is an amazing day on my life. Today is my birthday, so I'm feeling so super excited to be here, and I thank God for this beautiful day. Welcome back to this YouTube channel in order to know and to learn more. So, to the last 2 days, I meet with our brother Moses. We're talking more about Africa. We discussed more about Africa. Uh, a lot of something about Africa. We're talking. And our video is here to this YouTube. So, thank you so much, Bro Moses, for you are willing to have the time to meet with me. May God bless you abundantly. And I appreciate your idea you have about Africa, about the world. May God bless you abundantly. I hope you can provide more about that thing, that issue you have. So may God bless you abundantly. That day I meet with you, it was an amazing day and a beautiful day to me. I learned a lot from you about Africa. So I am feeling so good when I'm meet with you, bro. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If it's your first time, remember to press the button of subscribe there down, and may God bless you. So make sure this year you will be here a lot, because you can watch a lot of the different videos here about African continent, about the world. We're talking more here, and very soon we have that conversation about Africa. So we can make some press, and we can talk more about Africa. I can invite the different people that have known a lot of the different history about Africa, and we can talk together. That is my wishes this year. You can watch a lot here. So not only that, in this year you can see a lot of the different places to the world, to this African continent. Waterfalls, the different national park, the different culture here in Africa, the different lifestyle here in African continent. You can enjoy, and you can watch the different many activities to the different places. Economic activities, social activities. I want to talk about politics, so let me relax. I can talk another time. So welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today, this is good day, and I'm so super excited. I'm feeling so happy to be here because this it is amazing day for to me and in my life. So welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's your boy Kibona's Road here. Make sure, bro, sisters, mother, brothers, fathers, make sure, grandfather, grandmother, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, because this year is a good year to me and you, because I hope you can enjoy a lot here to this YouTube channel. Make sure you do that when you will be here, and you can share my video to others in order to spread my journey, because my dream is all about the world. So I can start here. African continent. After African continent, I can start to visit to the different places around the world. So make sure you will do that about to support me. I want only one to you about support. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. That is the one of big support to me, and I hope may God they blessing you so much. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Yeah. Next week. Yeah, next week we are here. We have another conversation about Africa. I can invite some people. I mean, that people is calling teacher. He is from Kagera, so that bro, they have good news to you about Africa. They have the good story to you about Africa. I hope when we can do that, you can enjoy a lot to this YouTube channel. That is why I want to do it. To go deeper about Africa, to prepare a lot of conversation with the different people that know a lot of histories about Africa here to this YouTube channel. In order you to understand more about African history, in order you to know more about Africa, in order you to explore more through me here to this YouTube channel about Africa. That is why I love my continent. So if you are African, make sure you do something for Africa in order to expand your continent, in order to do what? I mean, in order I want to say something here, but I can forget. When remember, I can tell you what I mean or what I want to say here to this time. So welcome back to this YouTube channel. My motto is about make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this is a blessing here. This is a good here to you. You can know and you can learn a lot of things about the world through Kibona's world. Yeah, make sure you do that, because this is our year of a Lord's journey. This is our year of a lot of adventures. This is our year of a lot about the world. We can talk more. I can show more. I can teach you more. I know you know, but you need more. You need more to know more about our world, about our African continent, about our life, about our culture, about about our national park, about our historical sites. We have a lot. So let me to talk a lot and to prepare a lot for you, in order to make you to smile all the time, to learn all the time, to explore all the time through this YouTube channel. If you are too busy about your issues, it's not must to come here to explore that place. So you can explore through this YouTube channel. You can do adventures through this YouTube channel. You can know a lot of places through this YouTube channel. So make sure you be ready, you prepare your soul, prepare your heart. You have the desire to know more about our African continent. This is our blessing continent, because we have a lot. Gold is found a lot here in African. Not a lot, Tanzanite. Not gold. We have Tanzanite. We have, it's known as what? Copper. Yeah, we have copper. So we have a lot of things. You can know and you can learn, and you can get the different things that you need to do or you wish to do, and you can know where you can start to do when you will be here to this YouTube channel. Yeah. So welcome back to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to explore more, in order to travel more through this Kibona's road. So welcome back, and next time you will see the good videos about African. We have the conversation here to this YouTube channel. We go by the name of Kibona's Road. Welcome and welcome back. May God bless you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.